Good evening. Today is January 9, 2024, Tuesday, and here are the 7 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Story 3 7 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Laksem Games and Amusement Corporation for January 9, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the SL Story 3 7 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Thank you for watching this 7 p.m. video for evening of January 9, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.